lodged an FIR, and already we're going to put up an inquiry into this matter. And the entire full report has not come. There are more than 17 people have been picked up by the police to be interrogated and find out more details of what happened. So some people are still on the move, but I've been actually quite busy today with the HM, so I could not get the report as of now. So I think the Home Minister, Government of Meghalaya, will be in a better position to give that. But this was the last report that I received, which was early morning, that this is the status. So some people have been picked up, and they are interrogating them on how this happened and why this happened. And from the government side, we have already filed an FIR and an inquiry. The action that has been done by the individuals who were involved in this, the action that has been done by the owners of the land, their inquiry is being done. And as I said, as per law, action will be taken against anybody who is involved in illegal activity, especially the illegal mining that is taking, if that is there, action will be taken as per law.